Today I'm going to walk you through the unboxing of the NSS 4. This is the 12-inch unit. One thing to note is I already have gone through this box, so I have removed some of the packaging just to make things a little bit easier. I'm going to go ahead and get that branding over to the side, and let's go ahead and jump on in and take a look at everything that's included in the new NSS 4. In the 10-inch and the 12-inch versions, we'll have a included bracket mount and bracket mount hardware. It should be noted that the 16-inch unit will not include a separate bracket mount, but we also have the option along with hardware to support a dash mount installation as well. So we have a dash gasket here, and we'll also get to many of the various hardware pieces to support both bracket and dash installation options. So now let's take a look at the device itself. First, you'll see that we have included a sun cover. So the sun cover will be included with all the 10, the 12, and the 16-inch units. And what's really nice is we've done a bit of a redesign to the clip as well. So rather than having to push and pull from the sides, we have this new pinch clip that makes it a lot easier and streamlined to take on and off. So if you're doing that, all you gotta do is just pinch that on, pinch that off. The device itself is very, very sleek. We've got that glass edge design you can see here for that premium feel, and then also the signature keypad and dial that is very unique to the NSS platform. We also have a dual SD card slot here in the front, so if you are someone that's using multiple chart cards and want to switch between those, you have easy access to do that as well. Next, let's take a look at the back side of the unit. This unit that I have here is the built-in Sonar version. We also have versions that don't have built-in Sonar as well, so you might see some blank spots on the far right side, but because this is the built-in Sonar version, we have two Sonar ports over here on the far right. Then over here on the left, we have your standard Ethernet port, and we have a gigabit Ethernet. We have a USB port here. We have a video in. We have a NEMA 2000. We have a 4-pin here. This is going to be where you connect your power supply, your power cable. And then also, as I mentioned, the Sonar ports here on the far right. So now let's take a look at the accessories. The first thing out of the box here is the 4-pin power cable. So this is going to connect directly to the back of the unit to that 4-pin port for your power. And then also we have the hardware depending on if you're going to do a bracket mount installation or installation directly into the dash. So with the bracket mount, we have the two knobs that will hold the product into that bracket. And then we also have the screws and hardware for keeping this bracket mount secure on top of your dash. And then we've got the option for a dash installation as well. So if you are going to be doing a dash installation, this is installed as a rear mount. So these are the rear mount brackets that are going to hold the unit from behind the device. So we have these two, depending on the size of your unit. So we've got the two that will fit the 12-inch there. We have the hardware, so the long screws. We have a Allen key as well, plus you'll also get the bolts needed to secure that properly as well. So dash, bracket mount, both included. Also, what's nice here is that there is some dust caps included into the package as well. So if you have any of these ports that are being inactive on the back side, you can actually just kind of cover those up to prevent any water, moisture, anything getting inside of those. And then also in that same box, you do have a fuse box and an extra fuse that is packed in there as well. If you are purchasing this product in the Americas region, you are provided with a CMAP Discover X chart card. So this is going to get you access to some of CMAP's best charts within that region. I should note that this is only exclusive to the Americas market. If you're outside of Americas, you will have to purchase this additional outside of this NSS 4. And then last but not least, we do have the literature. And so within here, we have the installation manual that you'll be able to find online as well if you ever lose this. We do have a quick start guide for easy tips and how to get started. And then also if you're doing that dash installation, this is going to be a template for you as a guide to help identify the size and the drill holes to get that put into your dash as accurate as you can be. So that is everything that's included in the NSS 4 packaging. You've got the MFD itself, you've got the great new sun cover, we've got the literature, the template, we've got the dash gasket, the dash installation hardware, we've got a bracket mount for the 10 and the 12 inch, we've got the power supply, extra fuse, and then if you're in the Americas market, we have the CMAP Discover X chart card as well. Thank you very much.